Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. You ever seen my channel before? Please subscribe. Today we're at Azure Mountain. It's up in the northern Adirondacks. It's actually almost at the tippy top of the Adirondacks. As I was coming in, the station decided to turn to French because we're so close to Canada, so that was pretty cool. Alright, so Azure Mountain is 1.8 miles long out and back. It's rated as moderate, and it is a part of the Fire Tower Challenge, and this will make 17 towers done for me. So I'm on my way. Completing this challenge. This is an awesome challenge. This is also part of the Fabulous 40 Challenge, and this will make 23 hikes out of the Fabulous 40 done for me. So I'm real excited about that. I get to knock out 2 hikes out of these challenges just with this one hike, so I'm real excited about that. As you guys can see, I have Buddy here. Like I said, on Panther Mountain, everywhere I go through these challenges and places through the Adirondacks, I'm going to spread his ashes on top. I did bring a meal today, spaghetti. I'm going to try to catch a sunset tonight. They're saying it's going to be clear skies tonight. So that being said, let's get it, baby. All right, let's go, baby. All right, let's go, baby. Alright guys, just got done with break with a pretty cool spot. Heard some birds chirping. It's just actually a beautiful day out today to be hiking. Alright, so this trail so far, I would say is easy. We're about halfway there, and you gain no elevation. We're just starting to gain it now, so it's pretty much flat the first half. We did pass that one stream. That was pretty cool. And that fireplace, I wonder what that's all about. And on the way up, on the side of the trail, there's wildflowers all the way up the trail. I thought that was pretty cool. But I'm going to stop wasting time. Let's get that sunset, baby. So as you guys can see, made to the top, and it's absolutely beautiful up here. This was a good one, guys. I really enjoyed this hike. You don't just get the view from the tower, you do get it from the base of the tower. This is just absolutely gorgeous up here. I really enjoyed this one. If you guys are looking to do a fire tower and not do the whole fire tower challenge, this one's an awesome one. And it's not that bad at all. It's 1.8 miles long out and back, and it's rated as moderate. And I will agree, this one, the first half is just pretty much flat, and then you gain all the elevation in the second half, and it's really not that bad. I just want to thank you guys for the support. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But that being said, Mount Azure is done. I can't wait for the next one. Alright, let's get that sunset, guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have Buddy right here. Like I said, on Panther Mountain. Everywhere I go through these places and challenges through the Adirondacks, I'm going to spread his ashes on top in memory of Buddy. Alright, let's do it.